For online sellers na nagbebenta sa e-marketplace like Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok Shop, makaka-receive ka na dapat sa email mo or sa pinaka-seller center nyo. Mahanap nyo dapat yung BAR Form 2307. So, this is the proof na nag-withhold na si e-marketplace operators sa atin. So, kung nakita nyo mga breakdown sa mga deductions sa atin, may makikita ka lagi na withholding tax. So, again, this has pushed through from July 16. So, this will be relevant sa mga filings natin. So, make sure to have this submitted to your accountant or yung taga-asikaso ng tax filings nyo. What I noticed agad is that yung mga figures is not accurate yung pag-withhold ng mga e-marketplace operators. Although, I think this is just an adjustment period kasi kakasimula lang. So, I think baka may lapses within their system, hindi maayos or whatever, I don't know. Pero they're given 90 days naman to adjust yung huling extension na binigay na BARS for the e-marketplace operators para mag-adjust sa withholding nila.